Well, it's time for our Neblett, Beard, and Arsenault Legal Difference segment. Attorney Wes Gralapp joins us once again. Today's topic, purchasing flood cars, and very relevant today as Hurricane Sally really drenched the Gulf Coast and the Gulf Shores area and, of course, Pensacola. So thanks for joining us, Wes. Good to have you.
Thanks, Mark. You know, we wanted to get on air with you guys and let the viewers know about flood cars, given the recent hurricanes that we've had.
Yeah.
You know, flood cars are something that hit the market usually, you know, within a month or so of flooding like we've had. And we just want the viewers to be aware of what's going on out there.
Yeah.
They should always consider their safety first when looking at these vehicles.
Yeah. What risks come in? Obviously, there's some risk when you're buying a flood car.
Well, the biggest risk is that you're going to have internal damage. We have so many electrical components, computer components in these vehicles that can be temporarily rigged to appear that they're okay, and then down the road they fail. And that could be things that are serious, like airbags, you know, steering, that kind of thing.
Yep.
You know.
Hey, Wes, what should I look for in a water-damaged vehicle?
You know, you just can't hide some of the effects of the flood damage. And, you know, so you'll have water stains, maybe mildew, and even sand or silt under the carpet or under the dashboard. If you suspect that there's water damage to a vehicle, be very careful. You know, you can look at the smell of the car, whether or not there's rust on some screws or bolts or things like that shouldn't be there as a result of salt water. Or if it really smells clean, you really have a problem.
What test can I run to myself to see if a car has flood damage?
Well, the best thing to do if you suspect flood damage is just to stay away. The second best thing to do is go to a mechanic, let him take a look at it. They usually can tell right away. But if you're on your own and you're trying to make this decision, then repeated testing of things that are electrical components like wipers, air conditioning, heating, turn signals, things of that nature.
And how can I protect myself from buying a flood car? What type of protection?
You can actually check the car's history by going to the National Motor Vehicle Title Information System. And also, you can check for flood history at the National Insurance Crime Bureau. Both of those are free databases.
That's good. What is a flood title, Wes?
You know, people can honestly sell flooded vehicles. It's not against the law. They just have to make you aware. And the best way to tell is when you're dealing with an honest and reputable dealer is that there'll be a flood title, which means that the car has had damage from sitting in water deep enough to fill the engine compartment.
And this is different from a salvage title, right?
That's right. You know, when you have a salvage title, that's when a vehicle's been in an accident and it's been totaled out and someone repairs it and puts it back on the road. And, of course, that's legal, too. As long as you know what you're buying, it's perfectly legal for someone to sell it to you.
Yeah, you need to really be careful when you're buying a flood car. No doubt about it.
When it comes to vehicles, Mark, if it's a good deal, it's a good deal. If it's a great deal, it might be a bad deal.
Yeah, too good to be true, so to speak. Hey, Wes, thanks for joining us. For more information, what's the best way to get in touch with you if people have questions about buying a flood car?
Call us at Neblett, Beard, and Arsenault, 561-2500.
Good to have you, Wes. Thanks for checking in. Appreciate it.
See you next week.
All right. We have more. Stay right here.